This is where all the magic happens, guys. The studio coming at you. Oh man, we made some money today with the LTE team, the Learn to Earn team. We got the main chat right here on the Discord. We're ending the month in the green. All of our trades up $110. Very green month, not that many red days, and really just enjoying a really great trading session with everyone. If you want to check it out, definitely tune in. We made a trade here this morning, pushed up, sold way too early, got back in, sold again too early, locking in over 5% on the day. And yeah, what a great trading day it was with our Learn to Earn team. Definitely showcase to you guys every single day, Monday through Friday, exactly how I do this live in the morning at market open for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you want to join, it's 100% free. All you have to do is smash the link below and join our Discord. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you all then.